Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to turn on a Volkswagen Passat. First, always ensure your vehicle is in park or neutral to prevent unexpected movement. Next, fully insert your key into the ignition slot. If your Passat has a push-button start, ensure the key fob is inside the vehicle. Remember to press the brake pedal firmly before proceeding to the next step. For key ignition models, turn the key clockwise to the on position, which illuminates your dashboard lights. Then, continue turning it to the start position. Hold it there briefly until the engine catches. For push-button models, simply press the start button while holding the brake. Release the key or button once the engine is running smoothly. If your Passat doesn't start, don't panic. First, check your battery. A slow crank often indicates a low charge. Ensure your steering wheel isn't locked, which can prevent the key from turning. Also, confirm you have enough fuel in the tank. Sometimes, a simple check of these common issues can quickly resolve the problem. Regular vehicle maintenance is crucial for reliable starts and overall performance. Always refer to your Volkswagen Passat's owner's manual for specific instructions and recommended service schedules. Keeping up with oil changes and battery checks can save you from unexpected issues. Also, enhance your home with smart technology. Check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.